So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In today's video, I will guide you with how you can fix slow performance and lag after iOS 26 update on iPhone. So many users complained that after installing iOS 26 update, the performance on their iPhone degraded. Well, if you are also facing this issue, then here are a few things that you can try to fix it. First of all, make sure you have enough storage on your iPhone. For this, open the Settings app. Now tap on General and then tap on iPhone storage. Now here make sure that you have at least 20GB free storage on your iPhone. If not, then you can delete some old photos and videos or even some apps. Second method is to update apps on your iPhone. For this, open the App Store. Now tap on the profile icon. Scroll down and here you will see all the app updates. Install them. Third method is to update your iPhone. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Now tap on Software Update. Now this will check for the updates available. Now, if any update is available, then install it. Method 4. Turn off Apple Intelligence. For this, open the Settings app. Scroll down. Now tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now from here, turn off the toggle next to Apple Intelligence. Well, Apple Intelligence takes up a lot of battery and can also cause performance issues. So it's better to turn it off. Method 5. Turn off Adaptive Power Mode. For this, open Settings app. Now tap on Battery. Scroll down. And here tap on Power Mode. Now here turn off the toggle next to Low Power Mode. And also turn off Adaptive Power. Now once you do this, it will fix performance issues. Method 6. Check the battery health. Open the Settings app. Now tap on Battery. Now here tap on Battery Health. Now make sure the capacity is above 80%. If it's below 80%, then you will face performance issues with your iPhone. So in that case, you will have to replace the battery of your iPhone. Method 7. Turn on Reduce Transparency. For this, open the Settings app. Now tap on Accessibility. Now tap on Display and Text Size. Now here, turn on this toggle next to Reduce Transparency. And once you do this, this will fix the performance issues. The next step is to force restart your iPhone. For this, first press volume up, then press volume down, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Like this. Release the power button once you see the Apple logo. Now once your iPhone restarts, you should no longer face performance issues. The last method is to factory reset your iPhone. For this, open Settings app. Tap on General. Now scroll down and here tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now here tap on Erase All Content and Settings. And now follow the on-screen instructions to reset your iPhone. So this way I can fix performance issues after iOS 26 update on iPhone. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.